Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error with the error code 0x8024a112, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. So the first solution is to reset Windows Update components, and I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, and this will run the script. So the first part of the script is to stop all services related to Windows updates. The next one is to delete the Windows Update profile. Then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. Then it will re-register the DLLs. Finally, it will reset WinSock and then it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, yes, you can try one more solution. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab, scroll down and select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.